Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're showcasing the YGJT Small Trash Can, a versatile and stylish solution for your waste disposal needs. This 3-pack of 1.8-gallon trash cans is designed with compact spaces in mind, making it perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, dorms, and more, fitting seamlessly next to toilets, under sinks, or beside desks. Crafted from high-quality plastic, these waste baskets are built to last, resisting chips, dents, and fading, while their raised bottoms help reduce wear and extend their service life. The sleek, screw-thread design adds a modern touch to any room, effortlessly complementing your home decor. Maintenance is a breeze with a simple wipe down using a damp cloth, ensuring your trash cans remain pristine with minimal effort. Not just limited to trash, these bins can also be customized to store cleaning supplies, adding functionality to their versatility. And with YGJT's excellent after-sales service, you can rest assured that any quality concerns will be addressed promptly, enhancing your overall experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.